Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Sphere News Network. It's time 9 p.m. Bulletins. I'm Madiha Saeed. Claimed recovery of rupees 210 billions of and by ending the occupations of 36 leagues. Shehzad Akbar said that Khurram Dastagir will recover lands worth rupees 9 millions. Land worth rupees 7 billions was taken from Chaudhry Tanveer. 2.5 millions Danial was taken back. 8 canals of government land and base in Sheikhpura were taken back from Javed Latif. Land worth rupees 2 billions back from Abad Sher Ali. Khokhar occupied government land in Lahore worth rupees 1.5 billion. Shehzad Akbar said that Nawaz Sharif promoted politics of money. Expressing the reservations over government actions across Punjab, unknown league Saad Rafiq said that a surprises list is being prepared for the league leaders. Action against Khwaja Asif's son's housing scheme in Sialkot. Ata Tarar announced to go to court against government actions. Ayaz Sadiq says he will have to answer for Fort Wall land, Ferozwala land and state expenditures on Zaman Park. Special Assistant Firdaus Ashi Kaman said the operation in Sialkot was part of an operation against the Occupy Mafia. Khwaja Asif and his wife approved 137 canals for housing society, illegal constructions that took place in society. He broke the lock of the Emirates cell and started using it. His face was exposed under the political umbrellas. Pervez Khattak claimed that if I want Imran government not to last a day, I will serve. No one can deceive me in politics. Vaccinations being loaded on Pakistan Air Force planes at Beijing and reach in Pakistan in next few hours. Sirajul Haq, the leader of Jamaat-e-Islami, said those who gave 5 million houses could not give one house. 20 members were for T20 series announced. The first match of the T20 series of Pakistan and South Africa will be played in Lahore from 11th February.